Hello everyone, I'm Rod Abel Lago, a BE Ed student. Today, I want to share some meaningful insights and realizations I've gained from exploring children's literature. At first glance, children's books may seem simple, but they hold deep lessons that shape how we teach, understand, and inspire young minds. One of the most powerful tools in children's literature is storytelling. Stories go beyond entertainment. They speak to the emotions, imaginations, and life experiences of children. A well told story can make children laugh, reflect, or even change how they see the world. As a future teacher, I realized how important it is to use storytelling to build connections, communicate lessons, and create a safe space for children to express themselves and learn from one another. Children's books are also rich in moral and social values, whether it's kindness, honesty, respect, courage, or environmental awareness. These lessons are often shown through the characters and the decision they make. Through literature, children learn not just what is right or wrong, but why those values matter in life. This made me understand that children's literature can be a guide in shaping character, empathy, and responsible citizenship. Another key realization is how children's literature help develop critical thinking and imagination. When kids are encouraged to ask questions, make predictions, and reflect on a story's meaning, they are not just reading, they are thinking deeply. At the same time, stories spark creativity. They take children on adventures and let them imagine new possibilities, worlds, and solutions. This balance of thought and imagination is something I plan to nurture in my future classroom. In the end, children's literature has taught me that teaching isn't just about facts, it's about connection, values, and growth. As I continue my journey as a BE Ed student, I will carry with me the lessons, joy, and purpose that children's books bring into the lives of learners. Thank you.